Hello everybody, I'm really proud to welcome you all to my new official Facebook fan site. I just finished the My Name is Michael concert tour and it was really amazing. I had such a great time. It was an honor to show my love for Michael Jackson that way, and also a dream come true. And I want to thank you all for that, because without your support and your love, I couldn't have done this without you guys. So thank you very much. Through this new site, you will be able to follow all my activities and to see where I will be performing and in which country or which date. Everything will be clearly explained on the site. This is also a good way to exchange your thoughts, your feelings, your experience. Don't forget to take a look at www.mjxof.com, where you'll be able to see where I'm performing in the future. And for those who wants to follow me daily, just join me on my new Twitter account on my artist name, Christoph. So I should say, have fun everybody, and I hope to see you really soon. Take care, big kisses, bye bye.